Hey guys, Ryan here, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to match the refresh rate of the GNOME Desktop Manager, aka the login screen, which you see when you boot up either Ubuntu, Fedora, or pretty much anything else that uses GNOME, to the desktop refresh rate, which is your general refresh rate you've got for your login session. So one of the things you may have noticed if you use Linux with a high refresh rate monitor, for example the one I've got is 165Hz, when I log in the system will actually flash black and then obviously go back to normal. And this puzzled me for a while because I was wondering what was this actually doing, but as it turns out, the reason it does this is because by default, the GNOME Desktop Manager runs at 60 Hz. So what it has to do is you log in, and then at that point, it changes the refresh rate to match what you specified for your actual general desktop, hence why you get a black screen. This isn't something that I've seen on my laptop, which is 120 Hz. So again, it seems to be more desktop related rather than laptops. Now, luckily the fix for this is really straightforward, and the process involves you replicating your display config and then pushing it across to the GDM or the GNOME Desktop Manager. So there's a couple of steps to do. The first one is to make sure that you've created a monitors.xml file, which if you've changed your resolution or you've changed your refresh rate, you've already got them created, but in case you haven't, easiest way to do it, pop to the top right, go to your little cog, and on the left hand side here where you've got displays, you basically want to change any of these values here. So for example, refresh rates here, so 165 as you can see, 120 or 60. Once you've done that, close it down. So the next part of the steps is going to actually copy this updated file to the GDM config directory. So for example, since I'm using Ubuntu 25.10, I believe it actually ships with GNOME 49. So we need to run the following command, which is sudo mkdir --p, and then we want to reference the location, which is var lib gdm3/seat0 and then config. And next we need to run the command to actually copy the file across, which is the following: sudo cp, can't remember what that symbol is, /config monitors, and then referencing the creation of the folder we've just created, which is var lib gdm3 and then config. Press enter. So the final thing we need to do is apply ownership to that file, and you can do it with the following command, which is sudo chown gdm:/gdm, and then once again we're just going to reference that file we created, which is the monitors.xml. Now, if you're using a slightly older version of Ubuntu or GNOME 48 and lower, you're going to be referencing a slightly different location, which I will leave in the comments of this video, so you're not going to miss out. But really, the only real difference is that it's the location of where this config file needs to be copied to. Now, when you next see the GDM screen, it'll be running at the same refresh rate as your desktop, and that jarring black screen will no longer occur. As always, thank you very much for watching this video today, and if you did find it helpful, then please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, as well as subscribe to this channel to find more content like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and I'm sure I'll see you next time. Goodbye now.